During the sentence hearing, Tarun Tejpal, who was present in court, sought leniency from the court. Tejpal has claimed that he was a political victim and urged the court to consider his personal circumstances, including that he is the father of 2 daughters. Tejpal had earlier maintained that the case against him was linked to political vendetta and his work with Tehelka. Alright, Sambhav, if you can take us through what Tejpal has said, seeking leniency. He's arguing that he's the father of 2 girls, but did that thought not occur to him when he was making advances on a woman the age of his daughters?
Well, this is an old case, 2013 case. He was earlier acquitted by the trial court. Now conviction is from the Bombay High Court. The 2-judge bench has convicted and asked him to surrender within 2 weeks. And he'll have to surrender within 2 weeks. And it's likely he can move to the Supreme Court. It is to be seen as and when he moves to the top court, a formal petition before the Supreme Court. But as of now, the 2-judge bench of the Bombay High Court, as you rightly pointed out, has sentenced him 10 years in this 2013 sexual assault case. This is the Goa bench of the Bombay High Court, which has set aside the acquittal by the lower court. And this 2013 sexual assault is the case, and the Bombay High Court has set aside the Sessions Court order of acquitting him.
Yes.
And we have already discussed about the charges, the certain sections of 376 of the Indian Penal Code, along with 354 and 354B, which is about sexual harassment.
Right. Stay on with me, Sambhav. Savio Rodriguez joins us back. Savio, you were making your point. Please to go ahead.
So let me say this, that after 13 years, justice is finally served, at least the first step of it. Because I believe Tarun Tejpal and his very powerful batteries of lawyers and lobby will ensure that they go to Supreme Court. But more than anything, this is a victory for that girl who's been persistent in ensuring that she gets justice. Because what happened with her is a betrayal. Betrayal of somebody who was a friend of her father. Betrayal of somebody who she looked up to, that's why chose to work under him. Betrayal of somebody in a position of power. Now, many people throughout the case, even in the trial court, painted this girl as somebody of a loose character. Somebody who did not scream while she was in the lift, somebody who did not do this or that, but nobody is questioning him. And that is why this judgment today, this punishment today, is a vindication for the belief in this courage of this girl to fight somebody in a position of power. Because no matter Tarun Tejpal was a journalist, he was also a very powerful lobbyist of the Luthians media in Delhi. And he was somebody who believed that by his own power, he could get away with it. That is why his first statement today is about the fact that he is a political victim. He is not a political victim. He is a man charged with raping a young girl. That is who he is. He's not a political victim.
Absolutely, Savio, good points you make there. Thank you for speaking to us on this. Let's take some more updates, in fact. Now, Advocate Cindy Anna Silva, who represents